What up, good people? Today we're going to talk about the most underrated cars. Let's get into this video. Artofspeedd. So the first run-up is the Ford Fiesta ST, rocking a 0 to 60 time in 6.5 seconds with an impressive 3-cylinder turbocharged, pushing out 197. Man, it is Ford hot rod, as in hatchback. So yeah, the thing is nice and it's light, nimble. So yeah, you can put some horses on that and yo, getting it. And you can put a blow-off valve on it, put a nice spoiler on it, and people will be seeing it like, yo, that's the car for like Fast and the Furious. That car gotta be fast. But you know, hey, it's Ford. So yeah, it's their 3-cylinder EcoBoost. But yeah, my homeboy had one of those vehicles and I was like, yo, that sounds nice. For a Fiesta ST, yo, Ford really did their thing. But you know, that's the reason why I say this is one of the underrated vehicles, because it's very underrated. So yeah, underrated vehicle is the Chevy Camaro. And you probably ready to click off and like, yo, how the Chevy Camaro is underrated? Because everybody forgets about the 4-cylinder Chevy Camaro. That's that 2.0 liter inline 4, pushing out what, 275 for the top speed of 155 for the 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds. Yo, I would say that's the underrated vehicle because of the fact that, man, you know, most people thinks about the Camaro, about the V6 and the V8. So yeah, that 4-cylinder, they were like, oh, I don't want that. But guess what? That 4-cylinder is not fast, but you got the body style. I see where Chevy was going with that situation, as in people who didn't have the money, but they wanted the body style and the look as a Chevy Camaro. So I feel like Chevy actually did a thing with this situation by giving the people what they want. And fresh out of high school or in high school and looking for a vehicle, yes, you can mod this car up and be fast. But would it be faster than like any V8 or V6? No. But you can make it look and have the potential of looking fast. People be like, oh, that's a Camaro. He must got a V8 in that. And guess what? You can straight pipe that junk, and that thing got a nice little gurgle for a 4-cylinder. Because I heard it, I was like, yo. People like, oh, that's a 4-cylinder? Yes. And guess what? You can get it in an auto and a manual. So yeah. So you have a 4-cylinder rear wheel vehicle, manual, pushing out 275. Man, yo, like I said, I ain't gonna say lie. If I would have got a Camaro, I would have got a 4-cylinder and gave it a Z011 LE look. They be like, that's a Z011 LE? Yeah. Until they asked me to pop the hood, I'm like, yeah, I don't want to pop the hood. But yeah, the next run up is the Hyundai Velocity N. So the Hyundai Velocity N is pushing out 275 for the 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds. Yes. And for the top speed of 145. So yeah, it got a nice little top speed. And it comes with a 2.0 liter inline turbocharged 4-cylinder. You have a 2 liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged, pushing out 275 for the 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds for the top speed of 145. Yeah, you can't beat that. But like I said, most people use that as an underrated vehicle. But I'm not gonna say it line. When the Velocity N came down, I was excited because I did a review on that one, and I was like, yo, this ain't nice. But yes, it's symmetrical look and everything like that. They give it that hatchback / 3-door look. Yeah, Hyundai really actually killed the game. But also when they killed the game, they killed them off at the same time. I'm kind of sad, but they killed off the Hyundai Velociter. But if you're enjoying the video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go ahead and that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.